Great water makes great ice. Of course, ice is made entirely of water, but too often mains water is seen as a fixed, stable and unchanging commodity. However, its quality is highly variable from region to region and even street to street. The discerning customers' increasingly high expectations demand high-quality ice in their beverage. Yet many businesses still produce ice from unfiltered water. The most noticeable problem leading to customer complaints are off flavors. These are caused by everything from dissolved minerals, bacteria and sediment particles to disinfectants like chlorine. Reducing these contaminants helps ice to taste better, smell better and form clearer cubes, as well as being safer to drink. Water filtration can solve these problems, producing ice with no off flavors and less scale-forming minerals. Dissolved minerals scale up internal components, increasing energy costs and creating a perfect environment for bacteria to thrive within ice machines. Descaling processes can also cause corrosion, resulting in untimely, expensive repairs whilst shortening the life of the machine. Living matter such as viruses or bacteria can be hazardous to health. The presence of residual bacteria and the disinfectants used to control them, such as chlorine, can give water an unpleasant taste and smell. Although authorities are generally successful in removing pathogens from water, some chemicals such as pesticides, detergents and medical residues can slip through the water treatment process. Sediment in the water supply can have a detrimental effect on taste, cause cloudy ice, as well as clogging up internal tubes and valves within the ice machine. Fit your ice machine with a 3M food service water filtration cartridge featuring integrated membrane pre-activated carbon technology. Rugged polypropylene housing tested to withstand high flow and high pressure. Dual zone pharmaceutical grade membrane helping to reduce cysts and waterborne bacteria, coupled with excellent sediment holding capabilities and minimal pressure drop. Carbon block technology reducing chlorine taste and odor. Pre-filter wrap removing sediment particles up to 5 microns. Optional built-in scale inhibitor to help prevent scale buildup. The 3M High Flow series of products provide excellent cartridge life and economy, reduce untimely equipment repair costs, increase your bottom line profitability, and consistently give your customers clean, clear, great tasting ice. Contact us or our approved distribution channel partner for further information.